What's up, superstars? We're here with Kelly with THREADFAST. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Hi, so THREADFAST Apparel is going to be focusing on sustainability. We're a partner with Better Cotton, so everything that has cotton will be sourced as Better Cotton, and we also look for recycled polyester to be anything that has polyester.
Awesome. Well, as a customer coming in, I'm looking for blanks and everything. What would be a good, better, best out of a basic tee?
Perfect. So starting out, we just came out with our new Epic Tee, which is right behind you. I would say for this as a good, if you have someone that's looking for a concert event style giveaway tee, this is your shirt.
Awesome.
It's going to be a 30 singles, 4.5 ounce ring spun cotton, and it is USA cotton.
Okay, awesome.
20 colorways, extra small to 5XL.
Sweet, awesome. And then for like a better, version of it?
If you have someone that's looking to do direct to garment, I would highly recommend our 180A. It's going to be a combed ring spun cotton, sourced as Better Cotton, with a bio wash finish that's gotten rid of any of the impurities in it, so you're not going to have any little fine fibers or threads hanging around. You get a really cool, smooth, clean surface for you to print on. So great for DTG.
Sweet, awesome. Can this also work for DTF as well?
Yes, most
definitely.
definitely.
Awesome. I just want to make sure.
Yes.
Awesome. All right, cool. And then for a best version too as well?
Best, a lot of people really like our tri-blends. Our tri-blend's going to be a little different from our competitors. We've upped the cotton to 38%, where theirs are 25, and lowered our rayon to 12. You're going to get a nice smooth feel in hand. It's also going to not be pilling as much, so less pillage, less shrinkage. It's going to have a longer life, and you're not going to have to worry about it scorching or burning.
Awesome. All right, cool. Well, out of the three that we got right here, as a new customer coming into the DTF game, which one would you recommend as, let's say, more of like a financial price difference?
If you're going for that, for more of the concert giveaway with your DTF, I would definitely be going with our new Epic Tee.
Awesome. All right, cool. Well, thank you so much, Kelly. And
thank you.
Thank you again.
Thanks.
All right, later, guys.